Let's go. Let's go. No, you didn't.
What? What? Gotta challenge that. That's insane. He was across the line.
I don't know. I think he was right at it. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. A long drive.
Whew. Shit. Come on.
Don't matter. Don't matter. I call that the hurry up. I fucking hate those plays so much.
Fuck.
Yeah.
No, you don't. You
Yeah.
love
Yeah.
them. You love them, Dave, you little bitch.
That wasn't me. That was just the computer making a play.
God damn it. Oh, that one hurts. That one hurts a lot. That was a good little drive I had going on. Just give the ball to the running back, you stupid fuck.
Let's go.
God damn
Stay
it!
in. Why did he stay in bounds?
What the fuck is that? I tried throwing it away. Ouch.
Yeah, I saw that. Is that a fumble or a
Nice.
pick? My eyes were so
Said
far downfield.
fumble, I think. Yeah.
Guess it right.
God damn it. How many are you gonna? How many am I gonna give you, huh?
That's 3.
That's the game.
Ugh.
I don't think it's possible for me to come out.
I don't know. I've seen you start. Go!
Fuck yeah, let's go!
Drop that in a fucking bucket.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh, bad throw. Bad throw. That's the bone, Brand.
Let's go.
Give me that.
Damn it.
I had the under route covered too. It's a tough.
I did.
Is his strong suit. He just can't move for shit. He's got fucking. Oh, I thought that was good. Do it, you won't. Oh, nice play.
Thanks.
Al Green, the Reverend. Kick it right to him. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired. Holding on, won't you help me, girl? Speaking of Dilfer Dimes. Oh. Let it rip. Let it rip.
He can't even throw it that far anymore.
Gotta admit, 450 yards, a hell of a drive, though. Yeah, how do you finish again? Dead last? Yeah, he did great dead last.
Well, good luck the rest of the way, buddy.
Thanks.
You know I always back whoever beats me, so
I
then I
appreciate
can
that.
say, you know,
Dude,
I almost made. Dude,
I
look
had
at the splits.
28. You shut me out with the exception of a 28-point fourth quarter.
Well, it did help that you know, I knew you were going to be running mostly, so